Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign an offer letter online in PDF format. First, understand that electronically signing your offer letter is a widely accepted and legally binding method. This process offers significant convenience, allowing you to complete important paperwork quickly from anywhere. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your signature is valid and your document is handled securely, saving you time and effort compared to traditional paper methods. Next, let's explore the various methods available for e-signing. You can often use built-in features in PDF readers like Adobe Acrobat Reader, which allows you to draw, type, or upload an image of your signature with just a few clicks. Alternatively, dedicated e-signature platforms such as DocuSign or HelloSign provide enhanced security, audit trails, and a more professional experience, especially for sensitive documents. Choose the method that best suits your comfort level and the employer's requirements. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of applying your signature. Open your PDF offer letter using your chosen e-signature tool. Look for a designated signature field. If none exists, most tools allow you to easily create one. Then, apply your electronic signature, whether by drawing it with your mouse, typing your name, or uploading a pre-saved image. Take a moment to carefully review the entire document to ensure all details are correct before proceeding. Finally, after signing, it's crucial to properly finalize and send your document. Save the signed offer letter as a new PDF file, perhaps adding "signed" to the file name for clarity. Ensure this document is securely stored on your device or in cloud storage for easy access. Then, send the completed offer letter back to your prospective employer using their specified method, typically email. Always keep at least one copy for your personal records, as this is a vital employment document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.